Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of stepping into a hot car every time you go out, we've got something that will make your life so much easier this summer. Today we're checking out the EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade, a game changer for keeping your car cool and your interior safe from the harsh sun. This sunshade is made with high-quality 240T polyester, which blocks up to 99% of heat and UV rays. That means your car stays cooler, your dashboard and upholstery stay protected, and you don't have to sweat it out the next time you hop in your car. Plus, it's perfect for protecting your car from that scorching summer heat. It's super easy to install. Just unfold it and it pops right into place. No tools needed. It's designed with a reinforced overlapping design that extends up to 8 inches, giving it a snug fit on most cars, SUVs, and trucks. So whether you're driving a sedan, a mini SUV, or a hatchback, EcoNour has got you covered. The fit is so tight and secure, no more worrying about the sunshade falling off when you're on the road. Plus, it's a foldable sunshade, so when you're done, just fold it back into the included pouch. Easy to store and doesn't take up any space. And let's talk about durability. This thing is built to last. Whether it's extreme heat or harsh sunlight, the EcoNour Sunshade stands up to it all. It'll keep your car cool for the long haul so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing it. The best part, EcoNour comes in multiple sizes so you can pick the perfect one for your car model. Just check the size chart and you're all set. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to burning hot cars and cracked dashboards, the EcoNour Car Windshield Sunshade is your new best friend. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. Stay cool, and I'll see you next time.